Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer, aka Mrs. Poorman.
And I'm Richard, aka Mr. Poorman. And this week we bring our video to you from Ho'omaluhia Botanical Garden.
Hello everybody in cyber world, this is Brent from the White Lab Workshop, coming to you from beautiful Minneapolis, Minnesota. This week, Mr. and Mrs. Poorman made a closet organizer.
And here's what we built.
If you like this video, consider hitting that thumbs up button and subscribing to the channel. Cue music.
We could have saved a lot of money by using sheets of plywood, but we opted to use Douglas fir boards because of the look. We also decided not to use glue. This will allow us to replace individual boards if necessary.
We started off by cutting all the boards into the sizes we needed for the whole project. Now that we have all these boards, next comes sanding. Next, we pre-assembled some parts before taking it to the closet to actually put it together.
Now that we have all the parts ready, we assembled the organizer in the closet. I guess Mr. Poorman decided not to use a ladder.
The boards are very soft, so I installed cross beams to provide additional support. And now for the most difficult part of the project. I added screw hole cover stickers to hide the screws.
And there you have it, our new sauna. No, actually our beautiful closet organizer.
We hope you enjoyed this week's video. Next week, we're going to bring you to another workshop we attended in Japan.
And on behalf of Brent, Mr. and Mrs. Poorman says,
Bye-bye.